Guys, don't scroll off, don't scroll away. I want to show you something. Guys, don't scroll away. I have seen something I want to show you. Someone told me that this food is eaten by Nigerians. I want to show you. Nigerians, you can comment below. Is it true? Ha. There is too much sunshine. I don't know whether you will see it very well. I want to show you something. Let me come. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Someone told me that this is food for Nigerians. I want to show you another one. I want to show you, this one, there is too much light. I don't know whether you can see. Are you seeing that, guys? Are you seeing it very well? I didn't know that these snails, are they called snails? I am going to show you another one, guys. Someone has told me, let me pass here. Someone has told me that these snails, it is a very good sauce in Nigeria. Guys, how do you call this type of sauce? Where did I see another one? Another one. There is too much sunshine. I don't know whether you can see it very well. Are you seeing it very well? It is there. There are two. Are you seeing them, guys? There are two. Those snails, they are in that purple tree. Someone told me it is eaten in Nigeria. And I wondered, this type of food, you see another one is there. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It is there. I was denying. Someone told me I can ask some Nigerian people, but unfortunately I don't have Nigerian friends. My international friends are from Ghana. My Ghana friends, hi. I want to show you around. How do you call this? This one here in Uganda, we can cook it. We can prepare it in tea, morning tea. Yeah. This one, in the local language, Luganda, it's called omujaja. It is omujaja. Then that one, it's a purple tree. They are snails, they are like a two. That one is an orange tree. This one is an avocado tree. You see, we are soon eating. Wow. We are soon enjoying this. Boom. How do you call this, guys? How do you call this? You see? This one. How do you call it? Is it the one called the omuzabibu? Is it omuzabibu? In Uganda, it's called the chitaferi. I can show you guys. You see? This is how it starts when it is young. You can see. This is a younger fruit. You can see that, guys. You can see from this stage, guys, it grows to this stage here. How do they call this one in English? How do you call it? Then this one is a guava tree. Guava tree. This one is a what? This one here, it is a young one of this one. This one is a younger tree, and this one, it is old. It has started bearing fruits. Yeah. I'm showing you fruits we have in our compound. This is a jackfruit. You know. Now this one, guys. This one, how do you call this tree in English? I can show you its fruit. How do you call this one in English? In Luganda, it's called enkomamawanga. Konke bikusi kyewuunyisa mbe ebisinga mbimanyi mu Luganda naye sibimanyi mu Lunyankole. Abanyankole na n'Abakiga ekyeki nibakyeta bato mu Runyankole narisho mu Rukiga. This fruit mu Luganda nibagyeta enkomamawanga. Reba eki ekitafeere eki tikikatandikire kutoha. It hasn't started bearing fruit. This is called, this is an orange tree. This is an avocado tree. It has not started bearing fruits. This is also a what? This is a guava also. This one is also a guava tree, but this one has some fruits. You can see them. You can see the guava fruits. This you can see. Yes, you can. Let me show you a fruit. This is an orange tree. You can see that one. Let me show you around this one. It is a guava tree. You just come and pick. Let me see. This one is ready. This one, it is not ready. If it becomes ready, it changes color. You see? This one is ready. It has changed some color. Yes. If the guava tree is ready, then it changes color. You can see this is where we put our rubbish, and the car is yet to come. A car that picks rubbish. This one is what, guys? Mango tree. These ones are old. We have always picked some mangoes. You can see here, guys. You see this, guys? This one, but these ones are not yet ready. If they are ready, we shall pick them. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. But guys, you can comment below. Is it true that Nigerians eat snails as a sauce? Comment below. Put in the comment section. What do you think? My Nigerian people, what do you think? Is it true? Do they tell us the truth or they lied to us? Comment below. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. More content is coming. Bye-bye.